Mickey Mouse puppet.
So, let's get started.
First, I will draw Mickey Mouse face shape. For that, I will draw one big circle. Then, I will draw two small circles on the big circle. Now, I will draw a few lines in our Mickey shape. It's time to draw a puppet! Yay! I love puppet. They are so fun! Now we will fill rainbow colors. Red. Orange. Yellow. Topaz. Dark blue. At last, I will highlight the Mickey shape to make our drawing more visible. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.